Oke, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Muhammad Nabhan Fuad. I want to describe this concept map. Okay, the first is TPEC. Yeah, Technology Pedagogical Content Knowledge. Okay, it's a technology integration framework that identifies three types of knowledge instructors need to combine for successful ed integration, technological, pedagogical, and content knowledge. Teachers are required to understand what their students are learning. Okay, next is PCK or pedagogical content knowledge. Okay, that is teacher knowledge consisting is an integration of their pedagogical knowledge and their subject matter knowledge. As mentioned before, TPEC framework is based on three primary forms of knowledge, so your first step should be to understand your primary form of knowledge in the context of this lesson. Okay, the first is PK or pedagogical knowledge is what are you teaching and what is your own knowledge of subject. For this lesson, you will need a solid understanding of cell anatomy and process. Okay, second is TK or technological knowledge. This is how do your student learn best and what instructional strategies do you need to meet their needs and the requirement of the lesson plan. In this case, we will need to understand best practice for teaching middle school science and small group collaboration. Okay, the third is content knowledge or CK. This is what digital tools are available to you, which do you know well enough to use, and which would be most appropriate for the lesson at hand. For this lesson, student will need to label a diagram and present show the ability to fill in the blank with an answer key, find image from the internet, create slides, extract are important. Okay, now we go to aspect of communication. Okay, this is a key aspect of communicative classroom. Okay, the first is use language for your life or use language for real life. Next, each lesson has student-centered aim. Okay, the third is the teacher as facilitator or helper. And then last is the teacher approach to meet the needs of student individual. Okay, next go to example facilitating communication as example. Okay, that is the meaning of TPEC. Okay, TPEC is technological pedagogical content knowledge. This is the mean. Is technology integration framework that identifies three types of knowledge instructor need to combine for successful EdTech integration, technological, pedagogical, and content knowledge, aka TPEC. Okay, the next for the example. Number one, that is setting real life. Yes, to get some example from our life, like drawing an animal or extract two. Second is a variety of interaction patterns. And the last of example facilitating communication is example of test. That is like listing, ordering, matching, comparing, problem solving, project, creative, text, and less sharing experience. Okay, maybe enough from me. maybe this is from me. Thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.